I'm Robert Anderson, one of the developers of Wallace. For round 2 of the Nielsen Challenge, we have made a lot of exciting updates to Wallace. Using the judges' suggestions, we have made major improvements regarding future expandability, guidance for the user interface, new functions, and documentation and reproducibility. First, thinking towards future expandability, we have redesigned each step into a series of discrete modules. This should make it easier for other researchers to integrate new R packages into Wallace. Second, Wallace now has extensive guidance for the user, including references to the literature. We made a big effort to represent the state of the field in language that all users can understand. The introductory material orients the user regarding the software and generalities of modeling species niches and distributions. Then, under each step, we now provide information regarding both background and implementation for each module.
Hi, I'm Jamie Cass, the lead developer of Wallace. The third major point is that we made substantial changes to Wallace's user interface. The user begins each step by selecting a module. Then, explanatory text and the module functions appear, along with reference information. Wallace is also better at handling errors and keeping the user informed throughout the analysis. Specifically, we've implemented a scrollable log window with status messages, a more prominent progress bar that tracks model building, and dynamic map legends. Fourth, there are many new functions in Wallace. I'll highlight a few of them. Wallace now offers more than one module in some of the steps. For example, in Step 2, users can now draw polygons on the map to select localities for analysis. Afterwards, they can move on to the spatial thin module. Similarly, in Step 6, users can now build and evaluate bioclim models in addition to Maxent. In order to allow this new functionality and allow for the future addition of other modeling techniques, we moved the occurrence locality partitioning functions to a new partitioning step. Importantly, at several steps, users can provide their own data and download output files from Wallace. Fifth, a particularly exciting addition is that now the entire history of the session can be downloaded, providing both documentation of the analysis and a means for rerunning it in R. There are many other new features, and we invite you to explore Wallace and discover them.